Okay, how you can connect your Tableau to the Diggernaut data using WDC we developed. So first of all, we have a latest version installed. So to connect, you need to first to use web data connector, right? And you have to put here https www.diggernaut.com/wdc and click enter. You get the screen. Here you have to put your API key. You can get it from the your members section in the settings section. So you put it here. Click on this button. Here in this drop-down selector, you can see all your diggers you have installed to your account. We have there just one, so I'm selecting it and clicking connect. After a few seconds, you should get a structure like this, right? Well, you will have your own structure, but in our Digger we have this one. And to get the data, you have to click update now, and it will load the data. So that's it, easy.